Hello my lovely friends, welcome in. My name's Linda and I'm based here in the UK, and I knit, I crochet, and you can find me on Instagram at Linda Simpson Designs. I'm also got a Facebook group called Linda's Crochet Nook where we share all our knitting and crochet projects. So today is the second Monday of the month, and that means I have a sock yarn giveaway for you. And what we have this month, we've got two 50-gram skeins of Excelana 100% British wool, and it is spun and dyed in Devon, dyed in the Scottish borders. It's a 4-ply, which is a fingering weight, 100% pure new wool, and it's called Himalayan Blue. And let me see if it says so. Right, okay. It's 50 grams. 159 meters, 174 yards, and I think this will make a really nice hat, make a lovely hat, that, guys. So you've got that, and you also get a pair of a set of Knit Pro Symphony 3mm knitting circular needles, and it's 9 inches, and then you get a set of 10 light bulb stitch markers. And the word for this that I need to put in your comment is going to be blue. So it's really nice and squishy. It's it'll be nice for a hat or even socks, but there is no, does it say? There isn't any nylon in this. Hold on. So I would suggest making a hat or even mittens, fingerless gloves, and there's lots of things, or add it as colour work on a sweater. There's lots of ways you could use this, not necessarily as socks, even though I've said it's a sock yarn giveaway. It's not socks. But hey ho, I just thought someone would really like and make a lovely hat. I bet that would make a really nice muscle burr. That's an idea, isn't it, guys? So the word is blue, and it starts today, which is the 10th, and it closes on the 19th of April, and I'll announce the winner on the 21st, guys. So good luck to everybody, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind. Oh, before I go, all the rules and regulations are in the description box below. I post worldwide, all my giveaways are worldwide. I'm responsible for this giveaway, YouTube is nowhere associated with it. You need to be 18 years and over, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and of course you need to leave a comment with the word blue. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.